Welcome back, guys, to another Theta Network update for September 14th, 2022. It is a Wednesday, my dudes, and we are 78 days away from the Metachain and Mainnet 4.0 launching on December 1st. So get excited, because these subchains with Metachain and Mainnet 4.0 are going to be exciting for Theta's future. So, all right, let's go over the Theta news. What's going on with the Theta Network today? Well, first up, we get Theta v3.4.0 upgrade will go into effect on September 28th, preparing for Metachain by adding wrapped Theta and staking via smart contracts. You can find everything you need to know in the release blog and the source code on Theta GitHub. So let's go over this article on that. So it's being prepared for September 28th. So here we go. We are pleased to announce that Theta v3.4.0 will soon go into effect via a hard fork in late September. This upgrade enables the support for wrapped Theta as a TNT20 token, a critical prerequisite to launch of Theta Metachain, as well as staking Theta/TFuel to Guardian nodes/Elite Edge nodes from smart contracts. This release will perform a hard fork to enable the new features at block height 172857555, approximately 7 p.m. September 28th, 2022 Pacific Standard Time. If you are running a validator node, it is mandatory to update to this new version. Otherwise, it will fall out of sync after the hard fork. To upgrade your node or review the v3.4.0 source code, check the following page at the GitHub source right here. Now, wrapped Theta is a TNT20 token that is wrapped around a native Theta token via smart contract. This allows Theta to be used within smart contracts, which normally isn't possible as a native token. You may be familiar with a similar concept in wrapped Ethereum, where behind the scenes, your Ethereum is wrapped into wrapped Ethereum when you use it in a DApp like Uniswap or Maker. This upgrade is critical in that it permits Theta to be used in Theta-based dApps for DeFi or within MetaMask wallets, among other use cases. It also means that staking Theta to Guardian nodes or TFuel to Elite Edge nodes can now be done through smart contracts, which makes pooled staking easier and allows users to create a wider variety of staking products. Additionally, for the upcoming Metachain upgrade, wrapped Theta is needed to register a subchain and to post Theta collateral for the subchain validators. Altogether, it means greatly increased utility for Theta token and for the ecosystem as a whole. Once the upgrade is complete on September 28th, Theta wallet apps will be updated to allow users to wrap and unwrap wrapped Theta through the wallet interface. Documentation will also be provided for the wrap/unwrap process, as well as how to stake Theta and TFuel via smart contracts. So, very exciting for that. So this is pretty cool stuff happening. So nonstop ready to testnet. So this also means that staking Theta to Guardian nodes or TFuel to Elite Edge nodes can now be done through smart contracts, which makes pooled staking easier and allows users to create a wider variety of staking products. Removal/lowering a minimum Theta of TFuel staking, crazy. And Alamos Moss thought Theta also said, what I understand is that it will be possible to increase the stakes of Guardians and Elite Edge nodes without the need for a minimum. The minimum to create a Guardian node or Elite Edge node will remain as it now. That is what I understood of it. And Baller even comes in and says, beautiful work. He's sometimes harsh out there in the Twitterverse, but he says what needs to be said some days. So, but yes, this is beautiful work, Baller. I do agree with you. So yes, cannot wait for that. Also, for those of you out there, SF Sports Ghost had to say this too. Extremely generalized article on the latest doings of Theta. The naysayers demanding Mitch Liu talk to them to ease concerns should know that Theta is working feverishly behind the scenes and laying the foundation for Mainnet 4.0 coming in Q4, aka the Metachain. And those concerned about Theta liquidating 15 million tokens recently should understand this needs to happen to get decentralization and be very happy about this quote from the article. This release takes Theta from 27 to 24%, so here you go. But yeah, there was a lot of naysayers out there. People had their doubts in Theta, just really spending a lot of FUD or just fear. It was like, where is this going? What's happening? Why is no one talking to us? But these guys are working in the background, as you can tell. We got that new wrap Theta coming on with a hard fork and everything. But yeah, this was like a nice little quick short little article. So let's just go through it. The recent changes at Theta Network. Theta is working feverishly behind the scenes, laying the foundation for Mainnet 4.0 coming in Q4 2022. Some of those changes happened over the past week, and they are validator unstaking. To support the future growth by unlocking values today drives growth for tomorrow. Theta unstaked small percent of its treasury. It unlocked 15 million Theta out of the total 165 million treasury staked, designed to unlock future core protocol developments and global adoption. This release takes Theta from 27 to 24%. Additionally, they want to ensure that the ecosystem becomes more decentralized and less reliant on Theta Labs over time. Now, personal changes, they added 2 high-profile people for its rosters. Dr. Mark E. Deshane, who is an associate professor of the University of Mississippi, joins the Theta Metachain Advisory Council. Dr. Deshane has been a longtime supporter of Theta, organizing community groups such as Theta Research Squad and advising projects like Symbio Creatives and ThetaCon. Dr. Deshane is also exploring how to utilize the Theta video API in learn opportunity environments. Another partner we got was RJ Williams to join the Theta Metachain Advisory Council. RJ is currently the CEO of Young Hollywood, currently available in 120 million homes in over 160 countries, nearly all the countries across the globe. RJ is focused on helping Theta build bridges to Hollywood offerings. Can you envision a tight coupling of NFT releases and new films? How about films released straight to Theta? That'd be crazy. But in summary of this, Theta continues to bring new and stronger technologies for all to benefit from, adding more decentralization and key personal to aid stronger future growth. And it is imperative at the stage in the crypto lifecycle. Web3 is transforming the media and entertainment industry right before our eyes. So yes, we understand that this is happening right before our eyes. So yeah, for all those naysayers out there, Theta is still working. I have not lost any fear or hope in Theta, even in this bear market, or all markets, not just cryptos. Real estate, stocks, even currencies. It is just like, I have not lost faith in this project for what they're building, because this is the future that's going to be coming, people. So be ready. And then, yep, Theta Ecosystem tweets a countdown to Theta Network's exciting Q4 has just begun. If you get dizzy, don't look down. Just visit the new ThetaToken.org website. That's right. We got the Edge Store beta release coming, testnet target launch of Metachain. That's what we just heard about on the 28th. And mainnet 4.0 target release of Metachain SDK December 1st. So the Q4 is going to be crazy, people. Buckle up your boots and get ready. Or strap your boots on. I don't know what that saying is, but it's going to be crazy. And lastly, in the news, Theta Syndicates, an airdrop is coming. Tdrop community, welcome to the Thetaverse. So this is like a game, I think, going on. Let's play this little quick commercial. It's like pretty intense for like video gaming. Like if this is metaverse gaming for Theta Network, crazy. But yeah, looks pretty cool. Looks like a shooter game. Points, but I wonder what this game's going to be like. How it's going to incorporate what they're doing. But are they using Theta technology for this? More if you need like an NFT to be able to play the characters or play the game. Interesting. Still so much more to cover, but yeah, I guess a drop is coming. This is the Thetaverse Syndicate, guys. The Thetaverse is an ecosystem of projects and creators coming together to change and evolve the NFT space using gaming, film, and music. They already had a couple drops on Tdrop already. Symbio Creatives, quite pricey, out of my price range. So I wonder how this will work with the gaming system. The Collision Symbiote, that was their first one that came out, so that's their cheapest. But yeah, so they got another drop coming, and yeah, I think they're working on the metaverse and gaming space using Theta. So awesome. But that's it for this Theta Network update. Price of Theta is at $1.11 with a market cap of $1.11 billion. Trading volumes at 37.9 million. Total stake nodes out there is 3,321, with the Theta being staked to these nodes at 60.45%. So again, like this rep TFuel, getting ready for Metachain 4.0, is going to give Theta a major use case. So with only 40% of the supply left, it's going to be pretty crazy, like to see this number run up and how much Theta will actually be locked away in the very end. TFuel's price is at 0.058 cents with a market cap of $310.8 million. Trading volumes 34 million, and total elite edge nodes is 7,899. The TFuel being staked or locked away is at 40.28% of the supply. Now the change between these tokens, Theta is seeing some green. We're up 1.75% in the last 24 hours for Theta, and TFuel's up 3.10%. And as always, we finish off with a movement of Theta here on fiatleak.com/Theta. You can check out some other tokens too, but since this is a Theta update video, we watch this chart. But as always, it's going to America and South Korea. Yesterday was pretty crazy seeing the European sector gain some Theta transactions happening. But yeah, so guys, if you like this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.